Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chino Rodriguez from Asaga Channel, a faith healer, also matariter. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 6 hanggang July 12 for the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit guide, please give me information po. Ano kayang chika sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? Alamin na natin yan. Ito na. Now na. And there's a Ten of Pentacles. So this is something a long-term success and long-term investment about sa finances, no? There's something inheritance, no? Either may minana ka or may makukuha ka with your old relatives, no? Or either kumbaga may naiwan sa'yo, no? Lupain man yan, papeles or something. Maaring kumbaga mayroon kang makuha. There's something financial security. So additional messages. And of course, this is something emperor. No, this is something a mature enough person, or either this is something a powerful person, or either a boss, a leader. No, because this is something a high standard person. Okay, let's see what is additional messages. So this is something a Queen of Wands. By confident, no, lakasan mo ang loob mo, maging matapang ka this time, or something lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. Now, there's something an independent person. Now, kumbaga kaya mong tumayo sa sarili mong paa, kaya mo manindigan. This is something at our moment for a major changes. There's something chaos, no? May mga bagay na masisira sa iyo dito. May mga bagay na biglang maglalaho at mawawala. May mga bagay na unti-unting mabubuo at unti-unting may isaayos, no? Additional messages. So, this is something 8 of Wands for fast communication and fast movement. Unti-unti na siyang makakatanggap ng messages and email, no? Phone calls, and there's something a travel, guys. No? May travel ka rin dito at the same time. Additional messages. And because this is something a Seven of Swords, there is a sneakiness, cheating, lying on you. Be aware, guys, ha? Mayroon dito sinungaling manloloko na maaring sinusubaybayan ka by social media. So, let's see. Additional messages with the Ten of Pentacles. And because represent the High Priestess. So, see, sabi ko na, there's something mystery. May tago, no? May tagong pamana o may tagong pera na maaaring i-offer sa'yo or something. Makukuha ka, may mga bagay na malalaman ka dito, no? Na magdadala sa'yo ng financial security or something, there's something a key na may susi dito paano mo pagyayabungin at palalawigin ang finances mo. Na meron ditong, kumbaga meron ka ditong maiisip, no, na negosyo or either trabaho na maaaring makuha na mapasukan. And because this is something an emperor represent the King of Swords. So this is something a mature and a person that being a wise, intelligent, no? Kumbaga itong tao na to ay wais, listo, matalino, no? Kumbaga hindi basta-basta nagpapabudol or either, guys, kumbaga this is something a stop na pattern, no? Kumbaga pinuputol mo na kagad, alam mo mga bagay na walang kaugnayan sa'yo. Alam mo itong bagay na to hindi magsiserve sa'yo. Masyado ka matalino this time. Oh. The Queen of Wands, Surface and What? So this is something a Two of Wands by choices. Na may mga bagay dito na pipiliin mo. May mga bagay dito na parang bukal sa loob mong kunin tong opportunity na to. This is something a choices na alam mo sa sarili mo yung drones mo. Additional messages with the Tower moment. Represent the Five of Swords. Magkakaroon ng self-sabotage not because of your actions, no? Mag-iingat ka, guys, no? Parang itong bagay na to na it's either sasabihin mo or gagawin mo na makakasira sa eksena mo. No, kumbaga mag-ingat ka lang, baka itong bagay na to yung magdulot sa iyo ng regret or disappointment. So the Eight of Wands represent the Three of Pentacles with the collaborations, no, connections, no. Maaring may mga messages, phone call, images, makukuha ka, no. Maaring may mga bagay na malalaman ka with work, with business, with partnership, no? There's something collaboration with the commitment, guys. Be aware, ha? The Seven of Swords represent what? There's a travel, guys, ha? Rather, there's a travel by international flights or something local flights, no? This is something at Queen of Pentacles with something of practicality. Maging practical ka pagdating sa finances. Na maaring maloko ka, maaring mabudol ka, mag-ingat ka ha, baka may uutang dito or may magagarantor, na maaring maipit ka sa situation. Be aware. And because the Ten of Pentacles and the High Priestess represent the Six of Swords with the transition. At makakaalis ka na sa situation, guys, ha. Unti-unti ka na makakabangon. May mga bagay na matutuklasan mo, may mga bagay na unti-unti mo malalaman, may mga bagay na hindi mo akalaing mailalantad sa'yo. The Emperor, because the King of Swords represent that Four of Wands by homecoming celebration, no? There's something family gatherings, and of course, something wedding, engagement, proposal, or something an event, no? There's something birthday, maaring, there's something occasion, no? There's some occasion na maging wise ka daw, no? Maging mature ka sa mga gagawin mo actions dito. There's something of Queen of Wands, and because the Two of Wands represent the Three of Wands, so waiting for a soul to waiting for a ship, no? May mga bagay na hinihintay ka. Choice mo tong gawin, kasi ito yung bagay na ito ay matagal mo nang hintay. Oh, it's a good part. Makukuha mo daw to, ha? Yung matagal mong ninanais ay maaring mahawakan, makuha mo na. That's our moment, because the Five of Sword represent the Seven of Pentacles, harvest time. So, ito yung consequences, no? Kung mag-ingat ka sa magiging action mo kasi mga bagay na yan, it's either makakabuti at makakasama sa'yo. So, maging matalino at mapagmatsyag sa gagawin mong kilos at galaw. The Eight of Wands represents the Three of Pentacles, represent that Ace of Swords. This is something a breakthrough na magtatagumpay ka. This is something on the spotlight. So may mga bagay na parang dahil dito sa pakikipag-collaborate mo, pakikipag-connections mo, kumaga you have the key for being a successful person. Na kumaga ikaw yung magdadala sa para makilala ka. Na para kumaga ikaw yung naglagay mo sa position mo. Kaya parang this is something a transformation. At the same time, there's something a movement for your grounds, no, sa situation mo, ikaw yung naglagay sa position mo ngayon. So, let's see. The Seven of Swords, because the Queen of Pentacles represent the Five of Wands. So, there's competitions, no? Maraming taong, kumbaga, kinakalaban ka, or either may mga taong, kumbaga, hindi natutuwa sa successful mo, or sa mga nararating mo, or nakukuha mo. Eventually, guys, no, may mga taong susubukan ka ng, lapitan ka at kumbaga labanan ka ng hindi patas. Be aware, guys, maging mapagmatsyag ka sa mga pangyayari na to about sa pera, about sa finances, maluloko ka, mabubudol ka. Mag-ingat. Additional outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome for you is the Devil card, no? Lapitin ka ng tukso, lapitin ka ng mga negatibo. Oh, there's something cleansing, guys, ha? Get more information, no? Marami ka dapat madlaman at matuklas about sa spiritual kung paano mo i-control, mag-set ng boundaries, shields, na parang hindi ka na-apekto ng evil eye contract, no? There's something evil eye contract na maaring lapitin ka ng inggit, lapitin ka ng kulam, lapitin ka ng ganito. So, be aware, guys. Kaya, kumbaga parang there's something roller coaster pagdating sa finances, love life, and career mo, no? Additional messages for the outcome. So this is something a Four of Swords. See, you are being tired, no? Kumbaga, ang intuitions mo, predictions or visions mo ay being tired, no? Pagod ka na sa mga iniisip mo, sa mga pupasok sa utak mo, no? Maaring kumbaga naguguluhan ka na rin yung mga pangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. Additional messages tayo about naman tayo sa career. Sa career mo, there's the Eight of Swords. So, napapalibutan ka ng toxicities, napapalibutan ka ng mga negativities, no? Trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay to, ha? Maraming toxic. There's the temperament for a perfect timing. So, this is the moment for healing. And of course, there's a moment para makalaya ka at makaalis ka dyan. There's something Eight of Cups. So, see? Moving on, getting away from the situation. No? Kailangan mo na makaalis dyan. Masyado ng toxic. Additional messages with love life. So this is something magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti ko na ma-manifest with the Ace of Cups, no? Kumbaga combination, and of course there's something a partnership pagdating sa love life and career. So maaaring kumbaga may mga bagay na ma-manifest ka pagdating sa love life. Kumbaga lapitin ka na inggit, kaya maaaring kumbaga ginugulo din ang love life mo. Kumbaga pag nakikitang kumbaga maganda na ang daloy na eksena mo, may mga tao talaga na iinggit sa'yo. Additional messages about sa health. So, this is just something 10 of Wands. No? Marami kang nararamdaman sa katawan. No? Kahit na masakit, pinipilit mo. This is something a good news. No? Kumbaga, maaaring gumaling ka na rin sa karamdaman mo. Additional messages for health. So there's something a 6 of 1. So there's something victory. No, maaring kailangan mo lang dito. Guys, may nakikita ko diyan, guys ha. This is something herbal. No, meron din akong it's either dahon ng palaya or dahon ng malunggay na makakatulong sa iyo, guys ha. Kumbaga kailangan niyo mag-research, guys ha, kung ano yung benefits niyan na makakatulong sa iyo, no? Just be aware muna ha, kumbaga tulong lang 'yan para malaman mo kung ano yung kailangan yung gawin about diyan. No, maaaring kumbaga makakatulong 'yan, yung malunggay, yung dahon, no? Ilalaga mo and then cross down ng ampalaya, ilalaga mo. I don't know kung ano yung benefits niya for you, pero kailangan mo i-research para nasa ganun pag naglaga ka niya, maaaring makatulong sa katawan mo. Maaaring mag-diyan ka makaka-recover. So let's see what is additional messages with Money Move Oracle deck. No, pagdating sa money, career, finances, let's see and watch this. And because there's something money tree. Wow, enjoy your wealth. So magiging masagana ka, no? Magiging maganda na ang kinabukas at magiging maganda na ang bukas. My God. This is something dream coming true. You will get what you have long desires, no? Kumbaga itong mga bagay na ito pinangarap mo lang, maaaring maabot kamay mo na at the same time. Money tree ha, isa to. Kumbaga maglagay ka ng money tree ha, sa table nyo, kailangan nyo maglagay sa mismong silangan ng inyong tahanan na nagre-reflect ng araw ha. And there's a love life. See, connected talaga money and career mo, guys. So this is something, information with the love and beloved, no? Kumbaga, deserve mong mahalin at magmahal. And there's something opportunities for you with a new beginning, no? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula dito at magdadala sa ng this is a hit the reset button. So ito yung kumbaga, parang, di ba, gold buzzer to, parang this is the moment parang naka-jackpot ka this time. So let's see what is additional messages, no? With the romance angels with the mystic love oracle deck. Titignan natin ang chika sa iyo ng ating gabay pagdating sa love life. Pagdating sa love life mo, guys, there's something text message, no? This is something unsaid message. Meron sa'yo, there's a torpe. Now, meron ako nasasend dito, maaaring maaaring torpe yung person mo, or maaaring, kumbaga, nagdadalawang isip siya, i-message ka, or kumbaga, magkaroon kayo ng conversation, nahihiya siya, or either, kumbaga, natotorpe siya. And there's something break up, forever endings, no? Maaring may dito nag-break up, natapos, na maaring, kumbaga, maaring nagkaroon ng regret, no? And there's something missing. Oh, missing you. Diba, I told you. Maaring kumbaga, naaalala ka niya, or either gusto ka niya kumbaga, gusto ka niya makausap, gata ganyan, diba? May ganung eksena dito, guys. Additional messages with a magical fairy messages. And there's a love life. I told you, so connected the love life and career mo. And there's some research. Diba, I told you, kailangan mo na research dito, guys, na parang, diba, para makadagdag sa kaalaman mo at the same time, para malaman mo rin yung mga bagay na hindi mo palubos nalalaman kung ano yung nangyari sa kasalukuyan. So let's see what is the synchronicities. Angel Spirit, please give me information about the synchronicities. So there's something resilience. So kailangan tahimik ka lang. Hindi ka pwedeng bulgaran, ha? And of course, at the same time, there's something a synchronicities. So this is something a sign. So maaring, kumaga maraming signo, senyales ang ating mga gabay na binibigyan ka ng information na para malaman mo, matuklasan mo kung ano nangyayari behind the scenes. At the same time, there's something sister. Na maaring makakatulong yung sister niya, sister mo, or maaring connected to with your sister. And there's the world, no? Baguhin ang mundong ginagalawan mo. Or either, there's something international, guys, no? Maaring kumaga ibang lahi yung person mo. Or either, there's something long-distance relationship. Or maaring nagkaroon kayo talaga ng distansya, no? Pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig, kaya siguro naghiwalay din kayo eventually. Na maaring kumaga namimiss nyo isa't isa. Paano na si ganito? Kamusta na siya? Diba? Namimiss niya ba ako? Diba? May ganon. For the angels answer, represent what? So, there's a meditation bring answers. So, kailangan mo mag-meditate, guys, ha? Kailangan mo mag-meditate dito. At magdasal, magmuni-muni. And there's a yes, no? Sa ang kasagutan sa mga katanungan mo ay yes. And of course, this is within the next few months. Sa mga susunod na buwan, magkakaroon ng malaking pagbabago. So, let's see what is the romance angels. Romance Angels is a heart-to-heart conversation. See, I told you so. Kumbaga magkakaroon talaga dito ng usapan galing talaga sa puso. Diba? Talagang honestly discuss your feelings in each other, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ng talagang usapan, no? Talagang kumbaga kabig-kabigin talaga galing sa puso yung mga ganung usapan. There is something let go of control issue. Pakaliwan mo kumbaga pakawalan niyo yung mga bagay na hindi niyo kontrolado, no? Kumbaga siguro this is something kumbaga nanggagaling talaga sa nararamdaman sa puso niyo, 'di ba ganon? So, let's see what is the chakra messages. So, there's a perfections, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay dito na parang unti-unti na munang mabubuo or unti-unti mo nang maiaayos. And there's an instinct, no? Kumbaga sinasabi, tama ang hinala mo, tama yung mga bagay na kinakabog ng dibdib mo. This is something, a complacency, no? Huwag mong hayaan mapag-iwanan ka ng sitwasyon, no? Kumbaga kung may mga chance ka pa, gawin mo yung mga bagay na yung gawin mo na, no? Kung ayaw mong malanta at hindi madiligan. Kumbaga, if you were a woman, kumbaga, it's either gumawa ka na ng chance, no? Or either, if you were a man, no? Kumbaga, wag mong antayin, di ba? Na kulbulubot yan. So, let's see what is the Archangel Michael. So, this is something honor and trust your feelings. No? Lagi mong parang pangahawakan at paniniwalaan yung nararamdaman mo kasi hindi ka niyan lolokohin at bibiguin. And of course, your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. No? Yung mga gabay mo ay maaaring totoo sila. At yung sinasabi sa'yo dito, keep your eyes on your target intention. Kung ano ba talaga yung intention mo, no, sa mundong ginagalawan na to. Parang, kumbaga, life purpose yan, guys. No? Parang alamin mo yung life purpose mo. Kung ano ba talagang mission mo, halaga mo, no? Kung ano yung mga bagay na magpapalakas at magpapahalaga sa'yo or magpapayabong sa'yo, gawin mo. So, let's see what is the Monsology. So, this is something communication is the key. So, susi talaga ang komunikasyon, diba? And there's an expect the powerful change. Na mag-expect ka na rin na malaking pagbabago na magaganap para sa'yo. And there's a nothing will come in this situation. Walang mangyayari sa situation na to kung hindi ka magtitake ng action. Hindi na uso ang torpe at hindi na uso ang pabebe. So, let's see what is the energy. The energy is the first chakra Archangel Michael for protections. Now, pinoprotection at pinapangalagaan ka lang ng ating angel spirit. And there's the goddess of the moon. No? There's a truth reveal. Lahat ng mga bagay na malabo at hindi mo alam kung may mga bagay na, kumbaga, nakatago sa situation mo ay malalantad na. At sinasabi sa iyo dito, there's a something caring connection. So, see? It's all about love. Oh. Parang love doesn't matter. Parang gano'n, no? Love can exist, diba? Let's see what is additional messages with an Archangel Raphael for home help. So, kailangan ng tulong daw ng inyong tahanan ng ating Archangel, no? Kailangan daw ng gabay, Archangel Michael for your home. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's an empathy. Now, there's something open to seeing a both side of situation. Hindi ka dapat one-sided, ha? Tingnan mo rin yung nararamdaman niya o mararamdaman ng sitwasyon mo. Diba? Ganon, kumbaga, tingnan mo yung both side of situation, guys. So, let's see what is Archangel. What is additional messages? So, there's a boundaries. So, kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries, guys, ha? And there's a prophecy. So, see, nakatakda na talaga at mangyari mga bagay na mangyayari. May pangitain. Premonition is pangitain, no? Kumbaga may paalala, there's something, astral travel. So, ibig sabihin, nangyari na to from your dreams or maaari nakita mo na to sa mangyayari sa iyo sa kasalukuyan. My God. And there's a dream guide with a teacher and guardian. No, may gumagabay talaga sa iyo, guys. No, binibigyan ka ng mensahe at signos na, kumbaga, you need to pay attention for this. Ganon. Additional messages. And there's an energy healing. So, kailangan mo ng healing session, guys, na kailangan mo magpagamot or either magpatingin sa mga albularyo or mga manggagamot na maaaring makatulong sa'yo para ma-align yung future or yung eksena mo pagdating sa love life or finances, ha? And there's something counseling. So, there's something wise advice. Kailangan mo makinig sa mga advice na makakatulong sa'yo for good. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And of course, there's something, loosen your grief. So, there's a let God in. hayaan mo ang Panginoon ang magdikta or magawa ng paraan para pagtagpuin kayo ng tinadhana. At because there's an earth pulsing with the time in nature. So, kailangan mo muna ng unwind, diba? Self-care. And there's a double missions, guys. So, this is a light worker, starseed, serve the world by being. Ipakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga. At ipakita mo kung ano yung katangian at kakayanan mo at diba? Katauhan mo. Ganaan. So, let's see what is the Jesus-loving quotes. For Jesus-loving quote said, judge not that you be not judged, no? Wag mong husgahan yung isang bagay kung ayaw mong husgahan kanila. Diba? Kung baga, alamin mo ang totoo, alamin mo yung mga bagay-bagay na magpapakatotoo sa'yo. Diba? Let's see what is an angel's number. Represent what? Angel's number represent 6664, great blessings. So this is the blessings, no? Na kailangan mong intindihin at malaman. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, nurture yourself, your needs, desires, and boundaries. Let go of the things that are weighing you down. Make a space for something meaningful and expand your spirit on all areas of your life. That big love, opportunities, or job need to squeeze in somewhere. So, may mga bagay daw dito na kailangan mo mahalin sa sarili mo. Tanggapin mo yung mga bagay na nasa paligid mo. Mag-set ka ng boundaries. Kung alamin mo yung mga bagay na magpapahalaga sa'yo dahil lahat ng mga bagay na yan ay inadyahin ng ating Panginoon kaya nangyayari yan sa buhay mo. Diba? So, let's see what is the messages of life. And there's a creative power. So, ito na nga. No? Kumbaga ibinibigay na at kumbaga inilalagay na yung mga bagay na dapat kalagyan at may mga bagay na mabubuo at magagawa in a right direction that because of God will. So sinasabi dito, I recognize that the creative power of my thoughts. I know that I can use them to build or to destroy. Today, I used to use my thoughts to create a universe filled with a joy and harmony. I will maintain my positive attitude. I have the power to create love and peace. So, see, ikaw yung gagawa, no, ng sarili mong kapalaran, no, kung ilalaban mo ba, hindi, kasi may mga bagay dito na baka pagsisihan mo sa huli. So, guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 6 hanggang July 12 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig na guumapaw na biyayang mahanang balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.